Okay, I assume you guys did all your homework, right? Will you write the chain rule property for me?
Okay. The chain rule property is dy over dx equals f prime g of x times g prime of x.
Okay, good. Thank you. Now, let's do some warm-up problems. Okay, guys. Okay. Today we'll do page 137, numbers 34, which states that g of x equal to 2 plus parentheses x squared plus 1 by the power of 4 by the power of 3. Sara, will you help me do the problem?
How do you get 4 times x squared plus 1 raised to the third times 2x?
Well, to get that answer, first you gotta bring the power down to make it 3 and making this 2. And using chain rule, you have to take the derivative of the inner function, which results in 4 times x squared plus 1 by the power of 3. And to get 2x, you still have to use chain rule, which is the derivative of x squared plus 1, leaving it to 2x.
Now you have to simplify.
Good. Now, Anthony, could you explain how she got this, if you were listening?
Yeah. To get this is the same as this, and this is this. So all she did was multiply the outer variables and numbers. So 3 times 4 times 2x equals 24x. And you could leave the problem at this answer.
Okay, so reviewing what we did in the video, we got page 137, numbers 34, and we're trying to find the derivative of g of x by applying chain rule. So we write g prime of x is equal to, we bring down the 3, so we write it right here. Making this 2. And what chain rule basically is you get the derivative of the inner function and you write it out as, bring down the 4, x squared plus 1, making this 3. And you also have to find the derivative of this, which basically is 2x. Now, all we have to do now is just simplify. Basically, we get 4 into x then simplify even more. be 8x. And that's your answer.